This is my favorite blankie, but they don't have it in black. I built the bench. This is what it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? I'll put these up, put the plants up. How good does this look? I like grape tomatoes. Or which ones? There's so many choices. I'll grab these. Oh, they're kind of small. I'm gonna get this. 2 of them. Oh, basil. I love basil. I'm gonna grab some basil. Tomatoes for sandwiches. So yummy.
We look like idiots matching.
No, we look so cute. It's the way that her torso shows and mine does not. Cucumber. Asparagus. Yum. Look at this array. Never have too many tomatoes. Yo, I want cookies so bad. Oh my god, I love raisins. No, we can't. I'm trying to eat healthy, guys. I've been eating like shit lately. Like, y'all see this Oreo cake? Oreo ice cream cake? No way. I want it. But I'm trying to be healthy. Cheesy breadsticks. Oh my god, those strawberries look so good. Dave's Killer Bread. I love the small ones. It's so cute and yummy. Love. Let's get this. Bagels. Which one you grabbing? I saw that, Alyssa. You have to pay for it. Oh my god, I love Hamburger Helper. My favorite one is the beef pasta. Tuna in the water. All right, let's get 4 of these. Let's try this.
It's bean though.
$21 for the world's strongest coffee, bitch. We're not that big of coffee connoisseurs. We're more like I'm a Dunkin' kind of girl. I'm just gonna get this one as well, this bean one, because we ran out of the coffee in a week. No more bacon. Bye bye bacon. I'm trying to only eat chicken and turkey and salmon. I love me my Cheetos, but I cannot eat. Oh my god, it's a wine bag or whatever. That's so cute. This is so cute. I don't even eat cereal though. Also, I wish that I could be like a bitch that eats oatmeal every morning, but it's just not good to me. Like, I just wouldn't choose it out of all the other breakfast foods. Fun fact, I know a lot of y'all know this, but I never wear deodorant because I have the Asian gene where like your BO doesn't smell like sweat. It's very prominent in Asians, especially Koreans. Oh, I love this aesthetic packaging. Wow, this is beautiful. I want it, but I already have some, so I don't buy more. I'm looking for creamer that's maybe like oat milk creamer. Do I want non-dairy almond milk hazelnut latte? I think that's what I'll get. Sorry, International Delight, I'm cheating on you. If I'm ever really craving something sweet, I'm gonna get one of these things. Let's see how good this tastes. I really want like plant-based yogurt because that shit tastes so good. I'm not fucking vegan or anything, clearly, because I'm buying meat, but like, I just don't want to eat dairy, you know? Secured. Oh yeah, this girlie actually checks every single one of the eggs. Alright, I just laid out all the food. Anna's here, she's gonna build the dog crate. I got the same exact one that I did back at home. It's like basically just like a pretty dog crate and it's white, but she's gonna build that. I'm gonna do a little grocery haul, but not in depth because this ain't a grocery video. You know, we got some bread, bagels, everything bagels of course, romaine lettuce, avocados, asparagus, cucumber, basil, peanut butter cookies for Alyssa, some tomatoes for sandwiches, arugula for sandwiches, more bread. Dave's Killer Bread is like the best bread, and I bought the small ones because I just feel like so cute eating it. One of these big goldfish things because I want to put them in one of those containers. More tuna for like tuna crackers and stuff. Grapes, eggs, post-it notes because I have a million thoughts and I need to quickly write them down and throw them on the fridge. I don't know, Alyssa got these snacking peppers and then some multi-grain tortilla chips, some turkey for sandwiches, this kind of coffee I'm kind of excited to try, and then this kind of coffee. The last one I got was not good. Some cauliflower puffs, even though I don't know what the fuck this is, but apparently it's good. And strawberries, yogurt, but it's with almond milk. I got a peach one and a vanilla, so I'll let y'all know if that's good. And then I also got some plant-based chocolate chip cookie dough, Chobani flip key lime crumble, yogurt, Alyssa got that, and then some more cream cheese, some dog food, and then some Arnold Palmer and White Claw. Also, some cuties. I'm gonna put everything away in the fridge and then I'll hit y'all in a bit. Okay, it's a lot later now and I organized everything. I'll show you in a sec, but she wants me to try these cauliflower.
They're basically like Cheetos but cauliflower.
They're good. A little bit stiff. What?
I wish they were puffier, but
that's good.
They're a healthy Cheeto.
That's good. All right, let me show you what I did. I did a lot and I didn't show you, but I'm gonna show you now. Are you guys ready for a fridge reel? 3, 2, y'all see that? So you know, we got the Aquafina up here, and yes, I usually never drink bottled water, but I don't know what it is. California water just does not taste good, even if it's filtered. I don't know what it is, so obviously I'm gonna recycle that. We got some Arnold Palmer, whatever, Corona, LaCroix, the tomatoes. We have so many tomatoes, but oh, I'm excited. Cucumbers and asparagus, all the little cuties, the grapes, limes and lemons here, all the eggs here, and then like cookies, yogurt, cheeses, I don't know, all that shit in there. And then lettuce is here, and then arugula is in here. We got the peppers, strawberries, the cilantro, parsley, basil, mushrooms. And then down here are the carrots. And then we got all the creamers and stuff. I just refilled this M&M dispenser. And then also have all the breads up here. And then I put like the goldfish in here, all the cookies, chips. Also, I built the bench. This is what it looks like. I think it looks really cute. Well, no, I didn't build it, Anna built it, but it looks super cute. So finally got that set up. And then Anna also built this lamp. How good does this look? I feel like it just fills up the space and it just makes it feel a lot more homey. So I'm really excited. I got this off of Wayfair and it has like gold, so it'll like match the mirror. This is what the dog crate looks like. It's a lot bigger than the one I originally had at home, but I think it's like a good side table moment. And it's Sterling's little home. I got this off Wayfair as well. And then currently I'm gonna try to put these mirrors up. I want one right there and then one right there. And then, oh, the flowers. We bought flowers and I put them in these vases. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I just did. I just laid out both of the mirrors that I'm gonna put up, and then I unscrewed all of the parts to it, like the stand and everything. But I got these command strips, and because I didn't want to screw them, and I never want to screw them in, and I put them all along here, put 6 on each. And basically what you do is you take one of them and you take the sticky side off of it, you stick it on to whatever you're doing, and then you take another one and then you Velcro them together like this. And it'll just Velcro. And then when you're ready to like put it up, you take the other part sticky side up and you press and it actually sticks. These are a little bit heavier, so I use a couple more, but I use these for like my headboard, like literally every single thing I use this for. But Alyssa and I are gonna go get plants and go to Target, I think, and get a little bit more home decor because I want like a vine or something to go on there so like it contrasts a lot better. And then I'll put these up, put the plants up, and I'll show you a little reveal because the house is coming together really nice. Like it looks a lot more homey. So we're at Home Goods right now. I haven't been in like the States yet, but I just love Home Goods because everything is like so inexpensive. Sometimes, not all the time. And there's just so much random shit to look at, you know what I mean? Like, wow, all these utensils, like gorgeous. I don't know why, but I just love it. Like a dough blender, do I need it? No, but do I want it? Yeah. I do need more scissors though, because I broke a pair of them today. It's the way my scissors just broke. I want this strawberry. Like this is all so cute. Like I want this, but there's no need for it. Kitchen towels. Any more cute ones? No. I'm just gonna get the basic brown ones. Not brown, tan. Oh my God, this is so cute. What the? I want to buy so many. I want to buy everything. This is so cute. Like, do I need a kettle? No, but do I want it? Yes. This marble serving board. Love. This is so cute. It's like the perfect amount of marble because like this one underneath, if you can see, I think it's too much marble. Look at all these eggy organizers. That is so cute. Oh my God. I literally have no idea where Alyssa is, but I grabbed my own cart because I need to buy more stuff. There's so much stuff here that I want. I used to go here all the time when I was in Canada, but like I kind of forgot that they had it here. Okay, I'm in the organization section right now, and I'm looking at these like little bins and stuff they have, and I want it for my bathroom. There's so many options. Okay, so I got 2 of these and then 1 long one. These mirrors are super cute. The one that I got from IKEA isn't very good quality at all. Like it keeps breaking and falling. Bad luck? Question mark? I was just about to buy that. Okay, well, I'll pay for it. Yeah, I'm gonna get this to put my perfume on it and display it, and it looks super pretty. But also, I got this tote thing because literally I bring my makeup everywhere, so I think that if it's in this, I can just like literally pick it up and just bring it wherever I want, and I'll just remove one of these inserts. Oh, I think this is a good idea. There's all these throw pillows, but to be honest, I think I want to get one of these to like go with the black and white theme of my room, so I think I'm gonna get this. All right, so we weren't gonna go to Target because we got everything we needed, but then we passed by a Target and then we just skirted right into a Target, so now we're going to Target. This to put all my papers in. This is my favorite blankie, but they don't have it in black. You know what, white's gonna have to do for now, but I'm literally just gonna stock up on a bunch of these blankets. Alrighty, it's about 2 hours later now. I drank coffee and I also made myself din din, which was just like chicken for the vegetables. But I don't want to put these mirrors up tonight because I kind of need assistance for that, and I don't want to ask Alyssa to do that right now because it's literally 12 a.m. But I'm gonna do a little haul for you. I drank coffee because I needed to do this haul and get YouTube done. So am I gonna be sleep deprived tomorrow morning because I have training? Yes, but it doesn't matter. No. So I got these for my bed because I wanted throw pillows because my room is looking a bit bland lately. So we got some throw pillows just to add a little bit of contrast, you know, different colors to look at. And also the throw blanket is white, so I thought that these would be good. Then I got Sterling this dog bed to put in his crate. Let's do that right now for 20 bucks, which was a lot of money, but I actually thought about it for a second. I was like, do I want to do this? 20 bucks for a fucking little dog mattress? Yes. My mom would have not been happy about that choice, but whatever. Let's put this in. Boom. Look at that. You like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? He's like, what the fuck happened? Do you like it? You do? Good boy, come on. Yeah! Anyways, got him that because he's a spoiled little brat. Then I got, like I showed y'all, this black perfume chrome holder. I thought, you know, it'd be real pretty to display all my perfumes because, you know, I'm a perfume connoisseur now. Got the little mirrors. I got this for $12.99, which is pretty good, I think. And then I got this candle. It's just a fat vanilla candle that I just want to burn, you know, just so that it's like vibes or whatever the fuck. I got more scissors, which I just don't understand why they put scissors in this packaging. Because, like, what if you needed scissors and you went to buy scissors and you need scissors to open this? But guess what? I'm a strong girly and I can open this myself. And look at that, I did. Anyways, I got scissors because I broke a pair of scissors trying to cut my flowers today. And I just end up losing scissors all the time, so I bought more. And this pretty blue color to match the microwave and this black one. I also got more scissors, which I'm gonna use scissors to open because you just never can have too many scissors. I don't understand what y'all mean when you guys said, like, Maya, how do you just, like, lose scissors? Like, I just do all the time. But these are big boy scissors, so hopefully they don't break. The amount of times I've said scissors. Then I got these kitchen towels to hang on the oven. You know, just like, wash your hands and you just want to like dry them. Hang these on the oven, you know, nice and pretty, matches the house aesthetic. Then I got, like I said, this little tote thing, which I think is gonna be super convenient. But yeah, it's this like thing where you can just go like this. I'm gonna keep the big compartments in it, but take out this little one, I think, and put like palettes this way. But this is adorable, and you know, you can just have it sitting there. But if I want to do my makeup out in this big mirror, or if I want to like bring it somewhere, I just put it in my car and I'm just like, boop. Great invention, 10 out of 10. Then I got these organizers for my bathroom, just to put products in so it doesn't swish and move around, you know what I mean? 2 gray ones, and then 1 blue one with longer compartments. And these were $9.99 each, which I think is really good. Then I got this little knife set to cut the cheeses for my charcuterie board, which I got a charcuterie board right here. I'll show you. I know it's charcuterie, but that's no fun. This was only $12, and it's like really heavy and good quality, I think. But if you can see, it just looks like this marble serving board. But I like how like it's not actually like too marbly, fake marbly looking. It's just like a simple white. Last but not least, Alyssa got this Moose Munch premium popcorn. Currently trying not to eat dairy and sugar. I'm trying to not eat sugar as much anymore, so low-key been dying. Then from Target, I got this gold paper holder just because I have a bunch of like printer paper that I want to be able to put in here instead of it just being like in the packaging. Got my favorite glue, which is the House of Lashes glue, usually in black, but I got white because that's all they had. I have said this multiple times, I wear this in the ocean and it doesn't come off. I got this blankie because these are my favorite blankies ever. I kind of am sad that I don't know where the black one is, but it's okay. I will find it and I will buy more. This is literally the softest thing that you will ever touch. Do you see this? I could just fall asleep. But yeah, you know, you just want to bring a blankie around the couch, not around the couch, around the house, you know, in your car. I just want to have a bunch of different blankies for different. This is not the blankie that I thought it would be. Whatever, I guess it still works, but like, this doesn't have fuzzies on both sides. I want the fuzzies on both sides. And then I got a bunch of plants that I'm gonna show you in a hot second once I put this all away. All right, so let me show you the plants that I got. Basically I want to get a fake vine though and put it around this or something because this just looks whack to me. I got this one really cute small like neon pothos plant, and the reason why I got pothos is because it grows into vines really nicely. I did get this head though, and I want to be able to put a plant in it, so maybe this one will fit in. This goes. Oh, maybe not. Okay, well, we got this head and this plant. Then I got this other pothos plant. Oh my god, isn't this beautiful? So pretty. I want to put this up here though, so I'm literally just gonna put them up now because who cares? I really felt the need to get plants because this house feels so cold and not homey, I feel like, and plants will fix it all. That is cute, and there's a skylight right above it. Oh, so good. Beautiful. Then I got quite a couple of these, which are just, I don't even know what these are. If someone can tell me, just pothos, but I don't really know what kind. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is adorable. I love this. This is perfect. There's skylights, if you guys can see, in the ceiling, so it'll just get so much sunlight. This one is beautiful. There's so many. And we got this one. Also, got this money tree. So I have one at home back in Calgary, but I had to get rid of it. So we're starting from scratch. Super cute money tree. I don't really know when to put this either. but I'm just gonna leave it like here. This looks so good. I'm so excited. So, you know, here we have, I don't know, what should we name this one? But super cute pothos growing. I think I need to lift it up a little more though, because it's kind of deep in there. I'll figure it out. And then we got all this pothos over here. Oh, it looks so good. And eventually when it grows, it's just gonna look so much better because it'll fill up so much more space. But also I bought a huge palm tree for like $200. It's huge. And I don't know where I'm gonna put that, but that's gonna come, I think, tomorrow morning. Super excited. Right, so it's a couple days later and I still have yet to put those mirrors up. I'm kind of lazy, but like, is that a surprise? Not really. It's kind of expected, but eventually I will get it up. In the next video you see, my mirrors will be up, okay? I promise. But if you don't know, I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I had to stop the daily vlog because I was mentally not doing the best, but like, again, are we surprised? Not really. But I'm gonna do a shout out of the day on Instagram. If you guys don't know, I shout out an Instagram comment every single day. Not every single day, every single video on my YouTube channel. So all you have to do is follow my Instagram and go comment and I'll pick your comment. And also I shout out a fan page of the day. So if you want to start a little fan page, let me know. And I'll repost you on my story. So comment of the day goes to _Tori X0X. She said the vlogs be like nobody. Is that my bestie and a tessie, which is kind of accurate. Also, there's been so many fan pages lately. Like, this is literally all in the past hour, which is insane. Thank you so much to everyone tagging me and all this stuff. I literally love watching every single one of the edits. I actually have been liking them. Like, this is my tag photos and I actually like all my fan pages. So if you want to be recognized, you can start one of those. But fan page shout out of the day goes to maiphammy _. She did this really cute drawing. Thank you so much. But yeah. Let me give that a double tap. Oh, I already liked it. Never mind. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe because I read every single one of my subscribers' comments. And I'll see you on Wednesday. Peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.